What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming to you today with a Flux update, guys. This is a full-on Flux update. We're going to go over the Snapshot rewards update because we were talking about that the last video we did last week. Now we do have confirmation on the replacement for the Luna Snapshot. I was wrong. It was not Polygon. I figured it would be the easiest, but it was one that I actually was not expecting to come so soon. So stay tuned for that. As well, we are going to test out a full 8-card rig of the A2000s that we have, from the family mine. Now we have 2 full 8-card rigs of A2000s. I'm going to test out one of them today on just mining straight Flux and kind of seeing what we can pull on hash rates for stock versus overclocked for a full 8-card rig. All right, so let's dig on into that, shall we? And boom. All right, chart's looking kind of this time, but it's whatever, guys. Now here we are, the Avalanche and Cosmos snapshot now. So it is now switched to FLUX-ATOM for the snapshot that is replacing the Luna. Now they have released the dates, or at least the months that will be distributed. So we'll expect the Avalanche drop to be in July. All right, so you'll get 5% of all of the Flux that you are holding at the time of snapshot in Flux Avalanche, and then in August you will get another 5% of Flux that you were holding at the time of the snapshot, which was the same time. These were both taken. The snapshot was taken together. They just really replaced Cosmos with what used to be the Luna snapshot. So freaking awesome, guys. Now, as you can see right here, we do have a full A2000 rig, and it is pushing on Ethereum as we speak. All right, so that is where it is currently hashing. Now we are going to apply a new flight sheet, and then we are going to see how it hashes. I'm going to try out MiniZminer. I don't know if it will work. I know Gminer works, but we're going to give MiniZ a try and see how she does. I'm going to run stock overclocks on these at first, and then after that I will be applying just a basic overclock to them. Before I do that, though, I think I am going to go into my overclocking and save this right here. That way we have it saved and backed up for whenever we are running ETH hash. We can actually just change that. All right, so we can actually, all right, that's good to go. Good to go there. Now we go back to overview. We can go into our shell. All right, we got the miner up and going. Well, we can watch it in a second. Now I'm gonna apply my flight sheet real fast and we'll see what's happening. So we got it going. Coup devices found 8. All right. All right, so you can see it. We got all 8 A2000s on MiniZminer, pushing 221 souls as it sits. All right, each card is putting down 27.54 souls at 69 watts. That's pretty not bad. Not bad. So I know that overclocked we should get around 26 on Gminer at 100 core and 1000 mem, and we're already getting a better hash rate on MiniZ. We're already sitting at 27 and we're 100% stock. Okay, so that's really not that bad, to be honest. Now I am going to be kind of curious to see what they will do on an overclock. So we're going to go 100 on the core, 1000 on the memory. Yep. And then all fans are at 100. no power limit, save. Now that will apply the overclock to all of those cards. So 100 on the core, 1000 on the mem, and now we'll see if we start gaining hash rate. I'd imagine we will probably be reaching the limits of the power. They didn't apply a like an actual wattage. We just let it pull it at once because it's not going to pull more than 75. All right, so there's 28, 28, 27, 27, 27, 27, 28. So now we know that that effectively does hash better than GMiner. GMiner was only pushing about 26 at the same overclocks. All right, so I'd actually call that a win right there. That we can pull 28, really almost 27.5 plus on all these hashes, but it looks like it's still climbing a little bit. We're at 28.75, 28.92. So we might even see there's 29.24. We could even see 30 souls out of one of these cards. But let's go check what to mine real fast. We're gonna go hit up that flux calculator right there. All right, so we are putting down 227 hashes right now. It's very possible we could be putting down a little bit more. Nope, we are not. So we'll call it 227. 227 hashes at 552 watts. Cost of electric will leave at 10 cents for now. We will calculate that out. So right there is your estimated rewards. You would earn about 5 flux per day. All right, so at current profit, you would be making $2.39 per day with the 8 card rig. So we have 2 of them, so you times that by 2. So you're always sitting around $4.60. Probably almost $5. Hitting 10 flux per day. Now remember, this is at -39 because parallel assets. Now we need to add, this has to change just a little bit because of the fact there's 2 other parallel assets and you get, I think it was 8%. So 8%, yep, so 8%. So we just have to add in 39 plus 16 because 8 times 2, so 55. So really, because we're about to get 2 more parallel asset drops, so really you should be, you need to like calculate in that that's about to happen, right? You don't have to, but so with the assets that will be dropped within, one of them will be dropped within the next month, and the other one is a month after that, you'll be hitting about $2.83, earning you almost, or 0.75 more flux than you would prior if you don't calculate in the other snapshots. So it looks like we have leveled off over here at 28.5 mega hash, or souls, not mega hashes, on almost every one of these cards except for this guy right here in the middle, and he's pushing. No, he's bouncing to 28. So, yep, all cards are effectively putting around 28 mega hashes. Souls, not mega hashes. I just got done doing some calculations earlier, so mega hashes in my brain. Is in the brain. So 228. If everybody pulls 28 28 souls, will be 228 across the board. So there you go. There be your calculations for a 8 card A2000 rig. All right, for 552 watts. Your cost is going to be $1.32 at 10 cents per kilowatt. All right. So that's pretty cool right there, guys. If you have A2000s, give us a test. I'd be curious to know if you get the same difference in hash rate between Gminer and MiniZ. All right, I do get 26.1 hashes compared to the 28 to 29 that we see on MiniZ. So 100%, that is way better. You get some extra hashes for no extra watts, and that is a win in my book. All right. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. See you anytime we go live here on the channel. All right. Hope you all had a fantastic Memorial Day. It was a long weekend for me. So here you are getting this video midweek, and we'll see y'all on Saturday for Good Morning Miners. Catch you on the flip side, guys. Peace out. Much love. Keep them hash rates up. Keep them watts low. And keep on mining, guys. We'll catch y'all later.